Okay, Dr. Hubner, I'm here with Corey, and Corey is here for a hair transplant. We're going to be doing a Hue Plus on him today, try to get him the maximum amount of hair.
So slowly, progressively over the years, it's just gotten to the end result as we have here.
Yeah.
But it definitely affects you in some tough ways growing up. So
Yeah.
confidence and
Yeah.
just overall life.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm here with Corey, and Corey at this point in the procedure has had a strip removed in the back. He's all sutured up. The slits have been made on the top, and now we just took a little break for some lunch, had a little Italian food. But overall, Corey, how is your day going? I know the anesthesia part's a little bit stinging and painful, and sometimes we have to reinforce it. But overall, how is your day going?
It's going wonderful. I mean, the anesthesia, I'd rather a little bit of sting now than a
Right.
major pain later. So
Right.
it's all worth it. It really isn't that bad.
Yeah.
Coming from a guy that hates pain, below threshold, just everyone out there, don't worry about it.
Awesome, man. Okay, we're here with Corey, and we have just finished his surgery, and it's a long day, but it's going to be well worth it, and super excited to see his results. As you can see, if I pan up here, you can see the amount of coverage that we have. We covered a lot of ground. Did not get his whole head, and that's important when people ask about the plus cases. It's not guaranteed to get the whole head. So you can see that we got into the crown, but certainly there's some area in the back that we just ran out. There's only so much you can get at once, and there's a lot of surface area up there. But you can already see how that's going to reframe his face in terms of making his forehead a lot smaller. And what do you think you're doing? Dr. Hubner, I'm here with Corey, and Corey is here for his 1-year follow-up. And as you know, on our website, we have his surgery day where we documented everything. In fact, I think we're going to put together a sort of a montage of his surgery day and his 1-year results so you can kind of see it all at once. So I've been holding his video to kind of put it together. And as you can see from the before picture, I mean, this is a game changer. Total game changer for him, man. Looks like his age. It looks younger, it looks more youthful, looks healthier. Everything is it's amazing what a hairline can do for you. And he's a perfect example of, maybe what 30 to 35% looks like. And I always tell people my happiest clients are guys like Corey that go from basically 0 to 30 or 0 to 40. It's unbelievable the change it makes in their life. And Corey will tell you, I mean, he just told me he got married last week, and I'm sure that your wedding pictures are very different now than they would have been had you not gone through this and done your work. So, Corey, from your mouth, what do you think about your result, and tell me what people are saying?
They would have had to use a lot of CGI in my wedding photos, that's for sure. My life has been kind of flipped upside down. About a year ago, I was at my job and I didn't have any hair. A year later, been promoted twice. And I don't know if it's the hair, but I'm not going to say it's not the hair either. No, my coworkers were blown away. I wore a cap for about a month in the office, and everyone was like, why does he get to wear a hat? But then they slowly started realizing, there it is. And every quarterly meeting, my bosses would say, wow. We gotta find out who this guy is, because you're gonna have to refer me down to Florida.
Yeah, I'm a happy man. I'm happy for you, and just like other patients of ours, it translates not only to your personal life, to your business life, to your career, to everything. It just gives you that extra edge, man. And one last thing to have to worry about.
It actually I was always so afraid to go to the gym, just always taking the hat off, sweating now.
Yeah.
Now I'm at the gym 2-3 times a week. Doesn't bother me as much.
Awesome, man.
It's just nice to see everything come together.
Yeah,
and,
awesome. And it looks so natural.
It reframes the face.
Yeah, absolutely. And it looks natural. It looks like it doesn't look like a hair transplant, man. It looks like you just sort of have natural hair up there, which is the idea. Speaking of that, let's show off your hair a little bit. Let's have you put your chin down to the chest. And with Corey, we got about maybe 2/3 to 3/4 of the way back. So he has a little area in his crown and I'll show it with the circle, the arrow here. So, and you can see that area there has improved a little bit with finasteride. Now, finasteride is the pill you can take for keeping the rest of your natural hair, but it's not required for the grafts to take. It doesn't make a difference. So you don't have to take finasteride, but I think it is helping him in the back. Can you turn to the left or right side and just hold it there for about 5 seconds? There we go. And look at that, night and day from where he was before. I mean, his forehead is half the size it was. Let's do the other side, same thing, Corey. Perfect. Great camera work. Awesome. Look at that. Look at that profile from the side there. Look how short he has his hair. No evidence of seeing any type of scar in the back. You know, it's awesome.
I'm at a 3 too. So
okay.
The other day, I think one haircut I had, I got down to as low as a 2.5, and she said, "Yeah, you're still okay."
Yeah.
So I'm keeping it at like a 3 right now.
Yep.
So
between a 2 and a 3 is
working out pretty well.
Good. Between a 2 and a 3 is typical of where you have to wear your hair. So, Corey, so happy for you, man. Thanks for showing the world your results, coming from someone that's just a real person talking about their results. And I'm so happy for you. And if you ever need any more hair or want to increase the density even more, you would have enough hair in the back to do it again. Although you have to go through the process again of wearing a hat, but. And we can talk about that later, but thanks again. And anything you would tell somebody that's maybe on the fence about a hair transplant, whether or not it's worthwhile?
Honestly, coming from the horse's mouth, you don't have as much hair as you think you do. Just do it. I thought I actually had coverage my whole life, and looking at my before and afters, I could see why I could see why I got the looks and stuff, but.
Yeah.
It changes your life, and Dr. Huebner, you're the best, so I really can't complain.
My pleasure is mine, and I'm happy for you, man. Thanks again.
I appreciate it.
You got it. Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.